Hello students of class 10. Already I have completed your second unit test syllabus. Today I will do one revision class on the chapter of ratio and proportion. As already I have completed this chapter in your class, so from the beginning I will not start this. Today I will do some harder sums which are important for your board exam. Now this is exercise 5.3, page number 98. Now what is ratio and what is proportion? If two quantities A and B are such that they are of same kind and in same unit, then the fraction of A and B is called ratio of A and B, and it can be written as A is to B. And if four quantities A, B, C, D are such that ratio of A and B is same as ratio of C and D, that means A by B equals to C by D, then we can say that these four quantities A, B, C, D are in proportion. Now today I will be solving exercise 5.3 from page number 98. So you will open your book, then you will it will be easier for you to understand the question. Now first I will start sum number 6 Roman 5. Let's see. Now sum number 6 Roman 5, it is given that x by y equals to a plus 2 by a minus 2. Then you have to prove something, you will see your book. Now first I am squaring both sides. X squared by y square equals to a plus 2 whole square by a minus 2 whole square. Then I will use componendo and dividendo property. What is that? This is numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Similarly right hand side also, a plus 2 whole square plus a minus 2 whole square by numerator minus denominator. Now you know that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to, directly we can write 2 into a square plus b square. B square means b is here 2, so it will become 4. And denominator a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. That means it will come 4a into b. See, if you can't write directly this formula, you will just open your bracket in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. That is also you can do. But many times I have used this formula in your class, so I have directly applied this formula here. Now 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, so it is becoming a square plus 4 by 4 into 8. But you have to prove that x square minus y square by x square plus y square equals to something. So just invert it. Left hand side is becoming x square minus y square by x square plus y square. Similarly right hand side will be 4a by a square plus 4. This you have to prove. Okay, so here what I have done, one property of ratio and proportion I have applied, that is the property of componendo and dividendo. Now next sum I start. Now sum number 6 Roman 6. It is given x equals to 8ab by a plus b. Now see, 8ab I can write in that form 4a into 2b. So I have written here 4a into 2b and denominator as it is a plus b. Now 4a I have taken here. X by 4a equals to 2b by a plus b. Now applying componendo and dividendo. Right hand, left hand side is becoming x plus 4a by x minus 4a. Similarly right hand side will be 2b plus a plus b and 2b minus a minus b. It will become 3b plus a and denominator b minus a. Now it is, I am writing, this is your equation number 1. Now same from here I had written 4a into 2b. Now I will write x equal to given 8ab by a plus b. Now I am writing it in that form 4b into 2a by a plus b. Now 4b I am taking here. X by 4b equals to 2a by a plus b. Again by applying componendo and dividendo, what we are getting here, x plus 4b by x minus 4b equals to right hand side 2a plus b by 2a minus b. So 2a plus a plus b means 3a plus b, and denominator is coming a minus b. This is, I am writing your equation number 2. After that, what I will do, I will add equation 1 and equation. Now after adding 1 and 2, left hand side I am getting x plus 4a by x minus 4a plus x plus 4b by x minus 4b, and right hand side you had equation 1 3b plus a by b minus a, and right hand side of equation 2 you had 3a plus b by a minus b. Now see here, denominator I have to make same, so from here I will take minus sign common, so it is becoming 3b plus a by b minus a. Here I am taking minus common, so it is becoming b minus a. Now the LCM of denominator b minus a, so here 3b plus a, minus sign is there, so minus 3a plus minus b. So 3b minus b means 2b, a minus 3a minus 2a, and denominator b minus a, you take b 2 common, then it is becoming b minus a, and denominator also b minus a cancelled out, so it is becoming 2. So it is proved. You had to prove that x plus 4a by x minus 4a equals to 2. Now next one. Sum number 7, 1. It is given that a by 3 equals to b by 4 equals to c by 7. You have to prove that this equal to 2. Clear? Now we are considering here, let this equal to k, where k is a non-zero constant. So from here we can write a equals to 3k, b equals to 4k, and c 7k. Now from left hand side I am starting a plus b plus c by c. So put the values here, a 3k plus 4k plus 7k and c 7k. After adding 14k by 7k, k cancel out 2. So it is proved. 7-1 proved, and 7-2 same. You will consider what is given there. You will consider let that equals to, that means a by q minus r equals to b by r minus p equals to c by p minus q equals to, you will consider k. Then what to prove? Left hand side a plus b plus c equal to 0 you have to prove. You will put the values of a, b, c there like this. Okay, I am not doing this sum. Now I will do sum number 7-3. Let's see. 7-3, it is given ax plus by by a equals to bx minus ay by b. Then show that each ratio is equal to x. First I will multiply this portion by a, both numerator and denominator, and this portion by b, both numerator and denominator. So here after multiplying by a, it is becoming a square x plus aby, and denominator a square. Similarly this side I will multiply by b square x minus aby by b square. Now you will keep it in mind when it is given that, show that each ratio. So each ratio, if this is written in your question, so what to do here? You will just add the numerator and you will add the denominator when it is given that each ratio. Here now I am adding this a square x plus aby plus b square x minus a b y, and I'll add denominator a square plus b square. Here a b y cancelled out, so it is becoming a square x plus b square x, next denominator a square plus b square. From here we can take x common, so it is becoming a square plus b square into x by a square plus b square. Now if I cancel this, it is becoming x. So our proof is completed. So keep it in mind, when it is given that each ratio equals to given, then what to do? You will add the numerators by, you will add the denominators, then you will get your result. Now next problems in your next video.